What if I told you that while Americans spent over $133 billion on vitamin supplements last year, there's a $3 fruit sitting in your local Asian grocery store that contains 20 times more vitamin C than the oranges you're buying at superstores? I'm talking about a small, green fruit that 1.4 billion people in India have been using as their secret health weapon for over 5,000 years. This isn't just another exotic superfood. This is about a fruit so powerful that ancient Indian texts called it divine elixir. And modern American research labs are finally catching up to why this little green powerhouse might be the biggest health hack you're missing. Stick with me because in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to blow your mind with what this fruit can do for your body. Hey everyone, welcome back to the 7th episode from our video series called Your Healing Kitchen. And today we're talking about Amla, also known as Indian Gooseberry. Now, if you've never heard of this fruit, don't feel bad. Most Americans haven't, even though it's been quietly sitting in Indian and Asian grocery stores across the country. While we've been obsessing over acai bowls, matcha lattes, and $40 greens powders, over 1 billion people have been getting incredible health benefits from this humble fruit that costs less than your Starbucks order. Today, I'm sharing 5 scientifically proven benefits that will make you want to start keeping this amazing fruit in your healing kitchen today. So, without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Number 5. The Vitamin C Champion. Americans are obsessed with vitamin C. We buy it in tablets, gummies, emergency packets, orange juice. We spend millions on it every flu season. But check this out. A 100-gram serving of fresh Amla berries contains as much vitamin C as 20 oranges. Not 2, not 5, 20 oranges. We're talking about 600 to 700 milligrams of vitamin C in one small fruit, compared to about 53 milligrams in a whole orange. But here's where it gets even better for us Americans who love our supplements. Unlike synthetic vitamin C, the absorbic acid in Amla is bonded with tannins, which helps it withstand heat and light during storage and processing. This means it actually stays potent, unlike those vitamin C tablets that lose their effectiveness sitting in your medicine cabinet. An average American adult needs about 65 to 90 milligrams of vitamin C daily. One small Amla fruit gives you about 8 times your daily requirement in the most bioavailable form possible. During cold and flu season, when Americans are downing vitamin C like candy, this one fruit could replace your entire supplement routine. And unlike those synthetic vitamin C pills that can cause stomach upset when you take too much, Amla's natural form is gentle on your digestive system. It's like nature already designed the perfect vitamin C delivery system. If only we know. Number 4. Diabetes Saviour. It's not a secret. We have a diabetes crisis in this country. Over 37 million Americans have diabetes and 96 million have pre-diabetes. That's 1 in 3 American adults walking around with blood sugar problems. Here's where Amla becomes a game changer. In a study involving 32 participants, those who consumed 1 to 3 grams of Amla powder daily experienced a notable reduction in blood sugar levels following fasting or meals when compared to the control group. But this isn't just about managing existing diabetes. Think about the average American diet. We eat refined carbs for breakfast, grab sugary coffee drinks, have sandwich bread at lunch, pasta for dinner. Our blood sugar is on a roller coaster all day long. Amla has a low glycemic index and may help regulate blood sugar levels. Recent research shows that Amla works by slowing down how quickly your body absorbs sugar from food and improving insulin sensitivity. It's like having a natural traffic controller for your blood sugar, preventing those spikes and crashes that leave you feeling exhausted. For Americans who are pre-diabetic or trying to prevent diabetes, adding Amla to your routine could be one of the most important changes you make. And unlike expensive diabetic medications, this costs about $3 and has 0 side effects. Number 3. Hair care. Now this one affects 50 million American men and 30 million American women. Hair loss and thinning hair. Americans spend over $3.5 billion annually on hair loss treatments, from Rogaine to hair transplants. Amla may benefit heart health by lowering cholesterol and improving overall cardiovascular function. But its effects on hair are equally impressive. The massive vitamin C content promotes collagen production, which is essential for strong hair follicles. Think about it. Your hair follicles are some of the most active cells in your body. They need serious nutrition to function properly. The typical American diet, processed foods, low in fresh fruits and vegetables, simply doesn't provide what your follicles need. Amla doesn't just prevent further hair loss, it actually promotes new growth by improving scalp circulation and providing the nutrients your follicles crave. Users report thicker, stronger hair within 8 to 12 weeks of regular consumption. Number 2. Anti-Aging Powerhouse. Benefit number 2 hits right at the heart of America's obsession with looking young. Americans spend over $16 billion annually on anti-aging products, from $200 serums to Botox injections costing thousands. Most of those expensive treatments work from the outside in, giving temporary results. Amla works from the inside out, actually rebuilding your skin's foundation at the cellular level. The vitamin C in Amla stimulates collagen production naturally, not the synthetic collagen you're buying in $40 powder form, but your body's own collagen production system. Research shows Amla extract can protect against UV damage and photoaging, essentially giving you internal sun protection. Think about the typical American lifestyle. We're indoors most of the day, then expose ourselves to harsh UV rays on weekends. We eat processed foods low in antioxidants, drink alcohol regularly, and live with chronic stress. All of this accelerates aging. Amla combats aging on multiple fronts. It neutralizes free radicals from pollution and stress, protects your skin from UV damage, stimulates collagen production, and provides the antioxidants your cells need to repair themselves. While Americans are spending fortunes on topical treatments that barely penetrate the skin, Amla delivers anti-aging compounds directly to your bloodstream, where they can actually make a difference. Users report not just looking younger, but feeling more energetic and vital. Number 1. Immune System Fortress. Post-COVID, we're all thinking about immune health differently. Americans are spending record amounts on immune boosters, zinc supplements, and vitamin packs. But here's the reality. One small Amla contains between 600 and 700 milligrams of vitamin C, making it one of the richest natural sources available. That's more immune-boosting power than most Americans get in an entire week from their diet. The typical American diet is notoriously low in fresh fruits and vegetables. We eat processed, packaged foods that have lost most of their nutritional value. Our immune systems are running on empty while we wonder why we keep getting sick. In traditional Indian households, Amla is consumed daily during cold season. It's not a treatment, it's prevention. The high vitamin C content, combined with powerful antioxidants and minerals, creates a fortress-like immune system. Recent studies show that regular Amla consumption can reduce the frequency and severity of respiratory infections. For Americans dealing with seasonal allergies, frequent colds, or lingering fatigue, this could be the immune system reset you've been looking for. Unlike synthetic immune boosters that you take when you're already feeling sick, Amla builds your immune system's foundation over time, so you're prepared before the next bug hits. Look, Americans are some of the most health-conscious people in the world. We spend more on supplements, gym memberships, and health foods than any other country. But sometimes the most powerful solutions aren't the most expensive ones advertised on TV. Sometimes it's a $3 fruit that's been hiding in plain sight at your local Indian grocery store. Amla has been quietly delivering results for years while we've been chasing the latest health trends. From immune support to anti-aging, blood sugar control to hair growth, this little fruit addresses the top health concerns Americans face every day. If you found this eye-opening, smash that like button and subscribe for more hidden health gems like this. To watch the entire playlist Your Healing Kitchen, check out the pinned comments section. And comment below, have you ever tried Amla? Or are you planning to hunt some down after watching this? I'd love to hear your experience. Until next time, stay fit, stay sharp, and we'll see you in the next video.